Now, this slotted link mechanism is also known as a Scotch Yoke mechanism. And once you have the basic mechanism done, you can look at ways to add functionality to get the mechanism to accomplish some kind of task. In this first example, I might add a couple of cylinders here. So I'll start by opening this part, the slide, and adding cylinders to each end. So add a circle on this end, I'll sweep through to get the center, got the center, and I'd like this to be 5 millimeters, but I see this part was created in inches, but I can put in 5 mm for millimeters and it will accept that. And if I add a dimension to that circle, you'll see it's in inches, the diameter, but I can change that up here from inches to millimeters if I like. This appears in inches, the dimension appears in millimeters. Now I'll go to extrude, and it's on single. I'll extrude that out. I don't want it to go both ways. I'll turn off some symmetry. I'll just push that out 0.3. Now I'd like to mirror this feature, so I come over to the feature tree, identify the protrusion, come up here to pattern, and I see the mirror icon, select that. I'd like to mirror this around the center. If I zoom in here, I'll see those reference planes, and I want the plane back here, the YZ plane. So I accept that, and I'll see that that's mirrored down the other end there. So I close and return. And now I'd like to add some sort of engine block casing for the piston to slide up and down in. I'll jump out of the part there, just grab this here, and I'll extrude that out. Let's see how far I need to go. There it is right there. So I'll just push that out, say 0.25, that's in inches. Maybe I'll do the same thing on this end too. I could mirror that. Just push that out, 0.25. Then I would like to cut a hole out, so I'll grab a circle. I'm going to work off the XZ plane, and I'm having trouble picking that up. So I'll go and turn on the base reference planes. This plane right here. So I'll lock to that plane, zoom back in, and I'd like to borrow. So I'll go up here to the borrow command and borrow a circle off that piston. So I'll borrow the circle, and I can turn off those base reference planes now. I could also turn off all the other geometry under view over here where it says show. I don't want to see that necessarily. And I'll go back here to extrude or select and just grab the region, and I'll pull that out both ways. Symmetric. I want it to take away material to cut. Let's just fit this. Look how far I would like to bring that out. So I'll push that out to real close to the end, say 3.1 inches. Now I'll close and return. And I'd like to change the color of this part so I can see inside there. I'll go to view. I'll just change it to yellow clear. Fit the view, and let's run this. Now it looks like I have a few problems there. It's running into this right here, so I need to make this smaller. So let's go ahead and do that. Go back onto the piston here, slide. Let's identify this end here and push that up. Design intent's on, so it happens on both ends, and I'll push that up, say 0.17 inches. Well, let's close and return to see if that's any better. Go back and run this again. And that's a lot better.